Alright, what's going on, guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, we are back at it again here on TheArchon for a brand new episode on the Skyblock Origins realm. So in today's video, we are basically just going to be doing some other stuff with our island. If you guys didn't see the first video, I recommend you guys watch that. I did just post it just the other day, so make sure you guys go check that one out. Basically, I started off doing one block, Skyblock, so that's going to be the series that we're doing for right now. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it. If you guys do, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on push notifications so you guys can be notified every single time that I upload. And make sure you guys come check out the server, goble.archonhq.net. Also, if you guys go to shop.thearchon.net and use code goble at checkout, you guys can get a free tier 1 rank on any realm on the entire Archon network, not just the one that I play on. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the video. Peace. Alright, guys, so pretty much if you guys right click the server selector, click on the Skyblock realms and click on Origins, you guys will be taken to the Origins server. And as you guys can see, in last episode I did expand my island as well as put some spawners down right here. So what we're going to do today is, first of all, we're going to /vote. We're going to vote on all 5 of these vote links, and I'll bring you guys back after I do that, because as soon as I do that, we're going to use the credits that you get, and yeah, and then we will be able to purchase some vote keys. Hopefully we could get some good stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm going to go ahead and do, and I will bring you guys back after I vote at the spawn. Alright, guys, so I just did vote, but I forgot completely about the Archon pass. So we currently have the free pass, and we could claim that reward that we just claimed, 250k, and then we have all of these different quests that we do need to do. So I do need to get these done, but right now what I'm going to do is such credits. As you guys can see, I have 5 credits, and if I do such rewards, you guys can see I can purchase 5 vote keys. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to purchase 5, and then we're going to go to the spawn, and we're going to go ahead and open these vote keys. So let's go ahead and do that really quick right over here, and I'll bring you guys back after I'm done opening all of these vote keys. Alright, guys, so what I'm going to do now is the shop. We're going to go ahead and sell all of the stuff that we just got. So we did get some pretty good items, as you guys can see. And then we could go ahead and sell the food, these golden apples. So there we go. We had 320k, 319k with 764 extra dollars, to be exact. So yeah, I gotta go to school, but I'll be back after school, and I will continue recording for you guys. So yeah. Alright, guys, I'm officially back, and if I go ahead to Skyblock Origins, we're going to go back on real quick, and basically what we're going to do now is we're going to get started with some more of this stuff. So yeah, it's downloading the texture pack for me right now, which it just did, and yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to our island. So there we go, we're going to go to the island home, and here we are. So now we're back at our island, and I think what I'm going to do is maybe expand the island some more. I think that would be a good idea for today's video. So let's get some blocks from the shop. There we go. And then let's expand it out. 7, 8, 9, 10 more blocks. Alright, there we go. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and expand it out 10 more blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I will bring you guys back once I basically get this done. It's gonna take me a bit of time, so I'll bring you guys back when I have like half of it done or something, to give you guys a bit of an update. So yeah. Alright, guys, so I'm having to buy some more dirt, but yeah, we're gonna buy 9 more stacks, and we're gonna continue making this. And then after that, we're probably gonna make like an actual farm, and then maybe we'll make some more extra stuff. I'm not entirely sure. So yeah. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Oh, I want to check. Let's look at the mob shop. Let's see. So the shop just changed, I believe. Yeah, the this hot shop, I believe, is what just changed or whatever. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is the hot shop deal. Model Y robot upgrade. And then we have some more stuff over here. We could buy this. Honestly, that's what I did. That's what I just did. I just bought 4 blaze spawners. So if we do shop, or I don't even think I could place them down yet. So I think what I'm just going to do is probably AH them for money, because I can't make any use of them if I can't place them down.
of course, so I'll probably just put them on AH, because I doubt that within our series that we're gonna get that far. So who knows, maybe we will. But yeah guys, I will bring you guys back in a couple minutes with another update. But yeah, alright guys, so as you guys can see, I finished making the entire thing, so this is pretty good. We went from 1 block to all of this, so it's pretty good. So I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just kind of sort my inventory a little bit, and I think what we're gonna do is actually make like a sugarcane farm kinda. So let's see, how much is sugarcane, how much does it sell for? We might have to make some different kind of farm. It sells for 85, that sells for 90. So I think what we're actually gonna do, pumpkins sell for that much, 200. Okay, well, it looks like we're making a pumpkin farm. So what we're gonna do is get about I'll say 16 pumpkin seeds, and we're just gonna make like a small little pumpkin farm, I guess. So what we're gonna do is get this here grass that we already have in our inventory, so that's kind of a waste of money. And we're gonna go to farming and get a water bucket, get another water bucket, and we're gonna come down here and we are going to make an outline. So let's see, we're gonna go ahead and go like this. Let's go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then let's make it like that. Put some water for space in between, and then we'll do that. We'll do another one with water in between, and basically that's just how it's gonna work. So we're gonna put seeds here, seeds here, and then seeds here, and then probably another set of seeds over here. So overall it's going to be a pretty good farm. I would like to expand it to be even bigger in the next video, but I'm not sure how much time we're going to have in today's video to do it. So yeah, I definitely want to focus on that in the next video most likely. So yeah, that's probably what we're going to do in the next episode. But yeah guys, so what I think I'm going to do now is just go ahead and do that, and then we could go ahead and start adding the water. I'll bring you guys back once I have all the water put in. Alright guys, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and go like that right there. And we're basically just gonna get some torches. So let's maybe go like that. Oh, I swear I just clicked the buy button, but okay. And then we're gonna get some wood like so. And here we go. Here's some torches that we could use to light up our farm. And now if we just place these right like that, there we go. And then if we place some more right here, there we go. There we go. So I did that, and then I need 16 more. So if I go to farming and I buy 16 more, there we go. And let's do it like this. Let's just do it this way. Let's go boom, and put some torches around here. Get these seeds down. And then get some seeds down right here as well. So this should be pretty good, and we should be able to have a decent amount of pumpkins growing. I don't know how many are going to grow, to be honest, but it'll still give us a decent amount of money whenever it does. So that's a pretty good way to make some money, I'd say, I guess. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's going to go ahead and end off today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified every single time that I upload, because I upload every single day. And also make sure you guys come check out the server. goble.archonhq.net is the IP. And also, if you guys go to shop.thearchon.net and go and use code goble at checkout, you guys could get a free tier 1 rank on any realm on the entire Archon network, not just the realm that I'm playing on. Anyways guys, that is going to be it, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.